Now, how to disarm a handgun. Basically, in an instance, okay, you can disarm if the situation gives you right or you have a good opportunity. But most instances, it is difficult to disarm a handgun, especially if it's loaded, because you need to move as quick as you could, because it only contains, or it only involve tens of a seconds. So what we'll be showing you will be a possibility that you can, or a situation that could be that you could only disarm the handgun. But these situations depends also on how you move, how quick are you, especially your techniques in doing it. So these are only the basic things. We have only choose three. Okay, these are three are the most, are we have the chances. What are the chances? 30 to 70. 30 that we could do, 70 that we could not. Why? Because it's based on how you move. Okay, so, or others say it as 50-50. 50% that you'll die, 50% that you could disarm it. Okay, so basically this is not standard, as I've told you, these are not standard, or this is only, okay, based on experience and based on observations. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so first is a handgun pointing at you. Okay, so how about if one, or how about if both hands? Okay, okay, so if the hand, okay, for demonstration purposes, I ask the person to let his finger, okay, put on the trigger, so that we could demonstrate, or how fast we should move. Okay, because if we could not move that fast, okay, dentally you die. Okay, so in this, okay, we do it slow-mo, okay, in slow. For this, okay, if you want to move to the right or either left, but we start it with your the right first. Okay, so when you move, okay, the hands supposed to be in this position. Okay, it's not down. Okay, hands. Why? Because it's easier for you to move. Okay? So from here, if I say, if you want to disarm with this, okay, on the left side, okay, from here, be sure that the distance, okay, approximately 6 inches away from your face or your body. Further than that, it is already impossible. Okay, so like this. Okay, when you move, at the same time, the body needs to move. So one, there. Okay, again. So one, there. Slowly, you push the muscle, or this one, this part of the gun. Push. If you have handled it, push. There. When you push, you can grab again. There. Okay. Okay, again, slowly. So 1, 2, then push. Okay, you see? You trigger finger, you can break the trigger finger. Move direction. Again. We'll do it fast. Okay. For demonstration purposes, you need to check. There. Okay. If I move and then he pulls, then the person who is disarming, yeah, presumably dead. Okay. So there. Then push down. Okay. Other side. Okay, so on the right, so slowly, 1, okay, push, hold, okay, again, You do it fast. There. Okay, you use the weapon even if it's not. Oh, boom. There. Okay? Okay. So that's number one. Number two. Okay. How about if both hands or one hand, same principle? Okay. Let's for example, one hand. There. One hand, same. There. Easier. Why? You only against one hand and two hands. Okay. Same. The other side. There. Okay. You need to do not forget about the distance. Farther than this, it's very impossible. Why? The movement, you step, bam. Okay. When you move, bam. Okay. But if this, okay, you have the chance, a slim chance. So from here, there, push. Okay. Yeah. Second, behind the back. Okay. Both hands. If okay, like this, be sure if your hands is up, you try to move backwards. If the person or doesn't mind, it's good. Why? You need to touch or feel where is the gun, because you don't know if it's here or there or here. There. So why do you need to know that? Because you need to know that because what is the course of action that you will be using in disarming the handgun. Okay, so again, from here you try to move backward. It's there, it's okay, you know what they had. So from the demonstration a while ago, the same. Okay, when you move, you need to move faster here. Okay, you need to move faster. Why? Because you might be moving, bam. Okay, so here, one, there, again, there, there, there. Okay, here. So yun, back again. So here, one, up. Okay. So that's two. Number three. Okay. About if any close. Okay. So close. Okay. You do like this. They said, hold up, or yeah, give me your purse. Okay. In this manner, at least you have the chance. You know where the gun is. Okay. What's the direction? First is that. Okay. The other hand move when you bring down the hand, at the same time the body needs to move. Okay? Okay? Even if nakasakal or even if it's choking you. So from here, there. Okay? The gun is moved. But the problem is it's not yet disarmed. So what should we do? In this position, one, there. There. Okay? The muzzle of the gun is pointing there. Okay? So what you do is you hold the shoulders down. Okay. Again. In this position, the tendency is the person is still holding the gun. So when you bring down your hand, be sure that you hit also the groin. Okay. By doing that, the person is out of focus in using the gun. Okay, so from here, there. You see the point or the muzzle of the gun? Okay, it's there. So what should you do? Okay, in order for him not to shoot, there. Then you need to distract the person. Okay, so you distract, then apply, take down, hold. Again, there. Down. Again. Hands. There. little faster. There. Okay. You see, he forgot the gun because it's more on the falling. So that's it. So I hope that we have given you at least three situations that at least we can disarm the gun. So thank you guys for viewing and hope we have teach you something. Okay, see you.